All right, guys, this is how I make my Slinky weights. First of all, I start with this stuff. You know, I sell this stuff. This is actually the roll that I sell from when people buy. And this is a mil-spec material. They put this stuff in tanks, and that is designed to just be tough as nails. Put it in tanks for wire sleevings. I usually get nails, just to get a box of nails because they're dirt cheap. I usually put 2 at a time, but putting 2 at a time in this is just too, it's too heavy. I used to put ball bearings in here like BBs. You could put sand in here, dirt, whatever you want. We're gonna make some single nailers. So once again, you take a nail. The nails that work best for you. Just nails are cheap. They're around, you know. If they rust out, I won't worry about it. But we go there. Squish. Move that down. Okay, scissors. Snip. Fellas, you know I love Thailand outboards. Check out the guys over at Beaver Dam Mud Runners. He has these really cool grab bars that you can mount in your boat. He actually makes those stateside, and he imports CLP from a Thailand manufacturer. And check him out. I will talk to you guys later. Fuel and stuff, things like that, it'd be a lot, it'd make a lot more sense is what I'm saying. So now there you have that. And so now that goes to the line that you've seen me do with my triple threat swivels. Use a dozen single nailers, probably 1/8 of an ounce. I never weigh these things. I just make them up, and whatever fits best for that moment's conditions, that's what I fish with. Single nailers, you have your long Slinky weights, and then we have our double nailers here. And I just keep these in my bag, and I just select the weight based on the conditions and the current and the wind and all that. And there you have it, folks, how to make your own Slinky weights. If you're interested in this material, it's available on my website. This is 5/16. That's actually the company that makes it. You can buy it, but I try to buy it by the roll, and that way I can just dole it out. You know, you guys maybe want to buy 3 feet of it, and just check the website for the prices. It is a kind of nylon, but it's a multi-filament. It can handle being drug across the rocks like you do with Slinky weights. And you look at salmon, steelhead fishermen, and these sorts of weights are used all the time.